What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Dodge Durango remote key fob. This Dodge Durango key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab the key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on. Hold that release down and the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that emergency key to the side. Now if we grab the flathead screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see the slot where the emergency key slid out of. Next to that we see this other kind of notch in here. What I'm going to do is put the screwdriver in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm just going to twist. And as I do that, it splits the two halves of the shell apart. Go ahead and pull the two halves apart, and in the back half we see our battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver again to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. We'll grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down on it like that. Go ahead and snap it into that holder, and then we'll snap the two halves of the shell back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.